Okay. So, taking the sandpaper, just getting in all the little tiny cracks and crevices here. And again, if you're as obsessive as me about the tiny little details, then this is the channel for you. If you're watching this and you're like, what is the point? Then I guess that isn't gonna be the channel for you. So okay, so take where the lock meets the knife, and I'm just gonna get out all the rough edges there, so that the lock up and lock release on the knife will be nice and smooth. Get back here a little bit. Yeah, that's a lot better. And you guys can see we pretty much got all the rust off. Right here, there's a tiny bit of rust left. Let's see if we can just sand that off right now. Let's get a clean spot on this piece of sandpaper. Yeah, we got a little bit of rust still on the pivot area. Did that help? Not really. That rust is probably pretty deep. Probably not going to be able to get it without taking a whole lot of material off, which we don't want to do because that will change the tolerances on the knife. Yeah, it's probably about as good as that part's going to get. Right here. Now I'm going in at about like a 45-degree angle from the knife block, so let me show you. Yeah, there you can see. And I'm just gently rubbing this with sandpaper. Just knock that edge down. There's kind of an edge like right here. Yeah, so just knocking that edge down, getting all the parts nice and rounded so they slide back and forth nice and easy. I think that's gonna be it for this liner here. Yeah, that's gonna be a lot better. It's gonna be a lot better. And again, you can see how much grime we're taking off. These are some new gloves I just put on a minute ago, and they're already just covered in crap. You can see how dark green, brown, nasty these have become. So again, if that bothers you as much as it does me, you're on the right channel.